Hi everyone, it's Miss McKinney. In this phonics lesson, we're going to be learning about some silent consonants. We're going to start with a warm-up. I'm going to say 3 words, and I want you to listen very carefully to those 3 words. 2 of those words are going to have a sound that is the same, and 1 of them is not. So we need to listen for the word that does not belong because it does not have a sound that is the same. Listen to these 3 words first. Rap, rough, sing. Rap, rough, sing. Sing does not belong. Rap and rough both have the r sound. Sing does not. Listen to these 3 words. Sick, wall, knit. Sick, wall, knit. Wall does not belong. Sick and knit both have the I sound in the middle. All right, do this one with me. Listen to these 3 words. You're trying to find the word that does not belong because it does not have a sound that's the same as the others. Grape, broil, grill. I'll say it one more time. Grape, broil, grill. Which word does not belong? Good. Broil does not belong. Grape and grill both have the g sound at the beginning. Broil does not. All right, listen to these 3. Now, ripe, sign. Which word does not belong? Now, ripe, sign. Very good. Now does not belong. Ripe and sign both have the I sound in the middle. Let's do one more. Thing, flush, these. Thing, flush, these. Flush does not belong. Thing and these both have the t sound at the beginning. All right, now let's get into our silent letters. First, I want to take a look at this sound spelling card. We've seen it before. It is the rose card. We use the rose for this card because rose starts with the r sound. And one way that we've practiced spelling the r sound is with the letter R. But today we're going to learn a new spelling, W-R. This is another way to spell the r sound, and you'll see this at the beginning of words. The W in this spelling is silent. We don't hear the W. We also have the nest card. We use the nest for this card because the first sound is N. We have talked many times about the N making the N sound. Today we're going to learn 2 other ways that we can spell that, with a KN at the beginning of words and a GN that you usually see at the beginning, but every once in a while you'll see it at the end. So we're going to practice some of these spellings. So first, let's look at an example word for WR. This word is right. In this word, the WR goes together and they say R. The W is silent. R-ite, right. I'm going to write just our R spelling for today, and I want you to get your finger ready to trace. We're going to trace these letters and say R as we do it. Ready? Get your finger ready. Let's trace. R, again, R, again, R, one more time, R. All right, so we know WR says R, like the word right. Now, let's look at our nest card and do some practice with those spellings. Let's look, we're going to look at this one here first, the KN. And this spelling is going to come at the beginning of words. I have our example word, know. And this know is if you know something in your mind. So if you look here, the K is silent. These two letters to go together, they say oh, no. I'm going to write just our spelling here. We're going to practice tracing it and saying the sound. Ready? One more time. Oh, let's do it once more. Very good. And then, of course, we had our other spelling, GN. Most of the time, you will see this at the beginning of words, but I'll show you in just a second a word that has it at the end. All right, so this word, the G is silent. They go together. It says at, gnat. A gnat is a small little fly. They're kind of annoying. They just buzz around, and you see people trying to flap them away. So gnat. Let's look at just our spelling. We're going to trace. Get your finger ready. We'll trace and say Let's go. One more time. Very good. So remember, I did tell you I would show you one time an example of one we might see this spelling at the end of the word. And this is the word sign. S-I-N. Sign. Like a stop sign or a street sign or a store sign. Okay? Sign. Now, we are going to look at some words. We're going to use our cards to build words. As you see the cards come up, I want you to say the sounds that each card or cards make. So this one, you should see this KN spelling on our nest card, so we know that KN is going to say E. Let's blend that. E. Knee. What's the word? Knee. Very good. Pat your knee. Yep. All right. Now, let's look at this one's going to have WR. Right here, WR says R, like rose. So we have R, E, K. Let's sound it or blend it together. Wreck. Wreck. What's the word? Wreck. Very good. This is kind of wreck is like maybe like a car wreck or something like that. Two cars get together and they just bump into each other. Wreck. All right, let's do one more like this. Okay, and you'll see this one right here, so you know it says It's going to be a long O. O, so no. And here's our silent E. Let's say these sounds together. Gnome. 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 A gnome is like a little, it's a fictional character, so it's make-believe. It's like a little short creature. A lot of times you'll see them called garden gnomes. They're just little short creatures, fictional creatures, little tiny things. Now, I have some words written out on cards here that we're going to practice reading. Okay, remember that whenever you see KN or GN, you're going to say N. And whenever you see WR, you're going to say R. All right, let's look at these words to start with. As I point to the letters on the cards, I want you to say the sounds and then we'll blend and read the words together. So right here, we're going to start with WR. Say R, E, N, Ch. Let's put those together. Wrench. Wrench. Very good. A wrench is a tool that you use to tighten things. Next word, KN. So N, E, O. Kneel. Kneel. If you kneel, you're sitting on your knees. Let's look at the next one. R-O-T. Wrote. Wrote. Wrote is the past tense of write. So if you already wrote something, that means that you already did it. Let's do one more like this. See the KN? Knife. 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 I use the knife to make a sandwich. All right, so let's move on. Now this next set of words that I'm going to put out here, you all are going to say the sounds on your own, but we will still blend and read them together. Let's do 5 this time. All right, so when I point to the sounds, or to the letters, I want you to say the sounds, and then we'll blend together. All right? Say the sounds. Let's blend. N-O. No. Very good. Let's do these. Let's blend. Wrong. Wrong. Well, I just said that one for you. Let's blend. Aw. Gnaw. Gnaw. If you gnaw on something, you're chewing on it. Like think about a dog with a bone that just keep chewing and chewing and chewing. Say the sounds. Let's blend. Wrap. Wrap. One more like this. Knob. Knob. Think of a doorknob. Let's read these words together. No. Wrong. Gnaw. Wrap. Knob. Very good. One more set. Okay, now this time, I'm going to point to the letters. You're going to say the sounds. You'll blend it, and when I snap, you'll read the whole word. I will tell you on this word, this U says oo. Okay? Let's say the sounds. New. Okay? This is an animal. It's like a big antelope. It's like a big animal. It's got the nice big horns, lots of fur all over. But that's what that is, a gnu. I had to look that up. Let's read this one. Wren. A wren is a small bird. Sounds. Not. Very good. Sounds. Wrist. Can you point to your wrist? Let's do one more. Gnat. Do you remember what I said a gnat was? A small, annoying little bug that flies around. Let's read these words together. As I point to them, read them. New, wren, knot, wrist, gnat. Very good. Now, pause the video and get yourself a piece of paper and a pencil. We're going to do some dictation. All right, remember when we do our dictation, you're going to listen to the word, say the sounds, or repeat it back to me, then we'll tap the sounds, and then you'll write the word. Your first word is knit. If I will knit you a sweater. Say the word knit. Let's tap the sounds. It. Remember what are the other spellings for n? All right, pause the video and write the word knit. Let's check. Knit. It. K-N-I-T spells knit. Check your work and make sure it matches mine. All right. The next word is write. Say the word write. Like if you write a sentence. Let's tap the sounds. R-I-T. Pause the video and write the word write. All right, let's check. Write. R-I-T. Write. W-R-I-T-E spells write. Check your work and make sure it matches mine. Let's do one more word and then we'll do a sentence. The last word is gnome. Say the word gnome. Let's tap the sounds. N-O-M. Pause the video and write the word gnome. Let's check. N-O-M. G-N-O-M-E spells gnome. Check yours and make sure it matches mine. All right, now we're going to do a sentence. Listen to me. Wrap the cloth in a knot. Say that sentence after me. Wrap the cloth in a knot. Let's do it one more time. Wrap the cloth in a knot. Let's see how many words we're going to write. Wrap the cloth in a knot. 6 words. Pause the video and write your sentence. Are you ready to check? Your first word is wrap. R-A-P. The cloth in a knot. Okay? You should start with an uppercase W and end with a period. Check your sentence. Make sure it matches mine. You guys did a great job. Make sure that you find the decodable that goes with this lesson so you can practice reading more words with silent consonants. I'll see you later.